First, we're going to loosen the sway bar. 13 millimeter right here. 13 millimeter right there. Already started loosening it. On this side, same place. Already removed it. We're going to drop that down so we have more room to get the CV axle out. Then we're going to bring the torque spit and take 6 of these bolts off. E12. Now that we got the sway bar done, we're going to move on to the torque spits. You're going to need a E12 on these bolts. I already started removing 2 of them. As you see, sometimes you have to push the rubber boot back to make sure you have this fully seated, because these things are a pain if they strip. I'm going to take all 6 out and I'll be right back. To take the axle out of the hub, you need a 30, I believe it is 30 millimeter 12 point. And then once you do that, once you break that free, sometimes you might need a screwdriver and a hammer to stick in the hole and tap it to get the actual shaft out of the hub. Reinstallation is you put this end into the hub, put the corresponding axle nut on, you come over here, you put your 6 E12 torques in, and then you reattach your sway bar and your job is complete. And this is the axle that we took out. It said it gave up. That wheel bearing went out and started wobbling real bad, and it said nope, it was done. Hope this helps. I literally moved it from right there over to right here, and this shit did this. It broke already. What junk?